Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss terms fiction and truth. Introduction. In the realm of literature, fiction serves as a captivating medium for storytelling, offering narratives that may or may not be based on actual events. The question of truth within fiction has been a subject of interest for both philosophers and literary critics. This video delves into the logical analysis of fictional texts and explores various viewpoints on the truth value of fictional sentences. In the broader sense, fiction encompasses all literary narratives, whether in prose or verse, that are invented rather than being factual accounts. However, in a narrower sense, fiction specifically refers to prose narratives such as novels and short stories. Some literary prose narratives are substantially based on biographical, historical, or contemporary facts and are known as fictional biography, historical novels, or non-fiction novels. Perspectives on fictional truth. One perspective posits that fictional sentences can be seen as referring to a unique world created by the author. This world resembles the real world but has its own distinct elements, beings, and coherence. Other thinkers like I.A. Richards view fiction as a form of emotive language comprised of pseudo-statements. According to this view, the truth of fictional sentences lies not in their correspondence to reality, but in their capacity to evoke emotional responses in readers. Narrator assertions and themes. Contrastingly, contemporary theorists propose that fictional sentences possess meaning according to the rules of ordinary non-fictional discourse. Yet, they are not intended to be taken as factual assertions. Instead, through implicit conventions between the author and reader, they serve a different communicative purpose. Speech act theory suggests that writers of fiction pretend to make assertions or imitate making assertions without assuming the normal commitment to truth found in non-fictional discourse. Some scholars attempt to extend the concept of fictive utterances to encompass all genres of literature, including poems, narratives, dramas, and novels. These forms are seen as imitations or fictive representations of various types of natural discourse. Reader's interpretation. A critical distinction arises in prose fiction between the fictional elements of the narrative, such as scenes, characters, events, and dialogue, and the narrator's own assertions about the world, human life, or the human situation. The latter often serving as the central themes or thesis of the work can be explicit or implied. It is debated whether these narrator assertions, even when implicit, are meant to claim truth about the actual world, thus linking the fictional narrative to factual and moral experiences. A related topic involves the role of the reader's beliefs in interpreting and evaluating a work of fiction. Readers' own moral, religious, and social convictions may influence how they perceive and judge the asserted or implied beliefs within the narrative. Conclusion. In conclusion, the analysis of truth in fiction has been a subject of enduring interest in both philosophy and literary criticism. Views on the truth value of fictional sentences vary from considering them as references to a distinct world created by the author to regarding them as emotive language devoid of factual claims. The intricate relationship between the fictional elements and the narrator's assertions further enriches the exploration of truth in literature. So this was the discussion on the terms fiction and truth. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.